Yes, hello, Oregon. Another RMT.
A civil authority has issued a required monthly test for the following counties/areas. Lincoln, at 12:27 p.m. on November 5th, 2020, effective until 1:27 p.m. Message from WDFA/CAP. This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system for the communities of Lincoln County, Oregon, in cooperation with public safety, broadcasters, and cable operators. This system informs you of events that pose an immediate threat to your life, health, and property. If this has been an actual emergency, requiring immediate action or evacuation, an official message would follow the attention tones you just heard. This test will conclude in 5 seconds.